Today we're going to be talking about arithmetic sequences. We're going to be learning the definition of arithmetic sequence. We're going to identify the arithmetic sequences. We're going to know the recursive formula for every arithmetic sequence. We're going to know the explicit formula for every arithmetic sequence. We're going to find a given term of an arithmetic sequence. We're going to understand the arithmetic mean, and we're going to use the arithmetic mean to find the missing terms of a sequence. It sounds like a lot, guys, but it's not bad. Stay with me. It's just kind of like last section with a bit of an extension. In the last section, we talked about the different types of sequences. For this section, we're just going to be focusing on specific kinds of sequences. This type of sequence is called an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequences are any sequence that increases by the same number. The number in that sequence is what we're going to be calling common difference, which will be abbreviated by the letter D. Important stuff in arithmetic sequence, we'll start off with the first term, which is always a sub 1, like we learned last section. And the common difference, like I said, we're going to be calling that D, and it can be written as follows: a sub 1 plus D, a sub 1 plus 2D, a sub 1 plus 3D. So the recursive definition of every arithmetic sequence has two parts. It's always going to be a sub 1 is equal to the first term, and a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus D. So yes, that recursive definition keeps the two-part policy type of deal. So problem 1, we just need to be able to identify, is this an arithmetic sequence? Does it add the same thing over and over and over again? So I go from 3 to 9, or 3 to 6, and that would get me plus 3. 6 to 9 would give me plus 3. 9 to 12 would get me plus 3. 12 to 15 would give me plus 3. So yes, this is arithmetic, and my common difference, which I abbreviate D, is equal to just that 3 that I kept adding over and over and over again. Next one, 1 to 4 would be plus 3. 4 to 9 would be plus 5. And that's already not the same number, so no, it's not arithmetic. It's not adding the same thing over and over and over again. So then the next one, I've got 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. So I'd add 4, I would add 4, I would add 4, and finally I added 4. So yes, this is arithmetic. And my common difference is just going to be that same thing that I added over and over and over again, which is that plus 4. And that's all for problem 1.